Hey guys, welcome. Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one of the big update came after releasing of iOS 14.3 beta 1, that is regarding your shortcut app icons. As you can see on screen, I am on iOS 14.2 and whenever I am opening a customized app icon, there is an animation or transition that it is opening a shortcut application first, then the app, right? Similarly, on the right side, I am on iOS 14.3 and whenever I am opening customized app icon, directly opening the app without any animation or transition. There is no shortcut app opening, then the app directly opening the main application without any animation. So let me show you the model version on my iOS version. Okay, I am on iOS 14.3 and let's create one shortcut app or create a customized app icon and show you how it works. So let's start. Here now I'll be creating a customized app icon on my device with a shortcut application. Similarly, you can download from App Store. There are many apps paid or free, or also you can download from the website as well. There are many websites giving a iPhone themes for free, right? So let's create a app icon for two. Let's create a App Store and the YouTube. So App Store is ready. Now let's go and create a YouTube app icon. I assume that you all know how to create customized app icons on your device because it was a global trend when iOS 14 came out. If you don't know, the link will be description. Please go and watch the video about how to create a customized app icon on your device. So now let's see the app icons which are created. So as you can see on screen, there are two apps icon. One is App Store and the YouTube. So whenever I am opening the app icons, it directly opening the apps, right? It is opening the primary application without going to shortcut or any other application. See, directly opening the App Store. Similarly, YouTube directly opening the YouTube without opening the shortcut app. So there is no transition or there is no animation regarding the transition. This is one of the best feature of iOS 14.3 for your devices for customizing the app icons. So now friends, if you like this update video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.